Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox Error Code 264. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To fix Roblox Error Code 264, where it says disconnected, same account launched experience from different device, reconnect if you prefer to use this device. So there's a couple different reasons you might be getting Roblox Error Code 64. So in this tutorial, we're going to go through several different steps that hopefully fix this issue for you. So the easiest way to fix this issue is to simply first reboot your computer. That's because it's possible that there's already an instance of Roblox running on your computer. And the easiest way to close that is to simply reboot your computer. So you can do that by going down to the Windows Start button down here, selecting it, and then just simply go into the Power button and selecting Restart. Your computer will then reboot, and then when it reboots, try playing Roblox again, and hopefully it works for you. Now, if Roblox is not working for you, it could be because you're signed in on a different device, maybe a different computer, a Chromebook, or your phone, and Roblox is open on that device. So check your other devices and make sure that Roblox is not open. Now, if you've rebooted your computer and you've checked all your devices and Roblox is not open on those devices, your Roblox account may have been hacked, and we can try to fix that by going to roblox.com, logging into our account, and then selecting the gear in the top right. Then going to Settings. Once your Settings opens up in the left menu, go to Security, and then right here we just want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you'll first see where you're logged in. So you can see all the different places that your account is logged in. If you see anything that you don't recognize, go to the right and select the arrow next to that login, and then you could just select Log Out of Session. So if you see any hackers or any weird location here or devices that you don't own, do that, and then you can log those hackers off your account. Additionally, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and just select Log Out of all other sessions, and this will just log your account out of every device. Once you do that, you should be able to log back into Roblox, and that should fix Roblox Error Code 264 for you. So that's basically how you can fix the Roblox Error Code 264. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.